yeah. She be like, I ain't no typical kind of brush. When I'm Air Force Ones, don't belong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina if you're new here. If you are new here, you can hit that subscribe button. I try to post a new video every week. So today's video is going to be the winter Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited to open this with you guys. I've done one other video like this on my channel before. It was the Fabfitfun fall box. So if you want to go watch that, you can. If not, then if this interests you, then please keep watching. So I just opened the box and this is what it looks like inside. I really like the packaging this time. It looks so like festive and cute. I love that. I also tried to be festive and cute in this video today. I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas. I did some Christmas makeup. So we're in the festivities. Christmas is around the corner. I'm so freaking excited. So what's in this box so far is $45 credit here for Bright Sellers, and then a HelloFresh 9 free meals across 5 boxes coupon thing, and this cute little add sparkle to your shine $15 off thing as well. I always throw this out. I don't really use any of those things, but it is cool that they add those in the box as well. I feel like it adds a little bit more value to what you're paying for the box. So next thing in the box is the catalog. They send one in every box, so it's cool. It gives you like a bunch of little things. Ugh, almost freaking decapitated myself with this, but it gives you little things. I don't know. Basically, it's like a little magazine, but in this, it tells you everything that you got inside the box and how much the value is and stuff. So we're going to be going through that together as well. Okay, so first thing that I see in this box that we're going to pull out is this Kate Spade little bag. And I believe in the catalog, it says this is a pair of earrings. Wow. Okay, these are gorgeous. Like, they are so freaking shiny. Oh my gosh, and they come with little pearls. I love these, and it's so cute. It comes with a little like dust bag. Really love this. I love pink styled stuff like this. Like, this is just so freaking pleasing to me. So these are the earrings. I'm gonna try them on and I'll be right back. So I just put on the earrings. This is what they look like, and I'm in love with them. I think they're gorgeous. I think they're so cute. From far, you could tell they're like blingy, you know? Love that. So far we're off to a really great start. I really love these earrings that they sent me. And in the catalog, it says they are worth $68 for the set of 2. So that's really good. I already paid like 75 bucks for this box and we're already up to 68. So love that. Next in the box is this. It's a liquid eyeliner. So we're gonna open it up and give it a little swatcheroo. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna see the applicator, and that's what it looks like. So it's your typical applicator, and it comes off very dark. So wow, and it gives thin, precise lines too. I think this will be great. I use a lot of liquid eyeliner, so I will probably end up using this, so that's very useful. This was worth $21, so we've already surpassed the amount of this box. Next thing in this box is this Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So that's what it looks like. The packaging is really pretty. I love that. So let's open it up and see. Wow, so cute, so pretty. Oh, I don't know how to use this. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is just like a cap to protect it. That's cool. I've never seen a cap like that before. So that's what that looks like. So it's a eye balm, an eye balm. So here in the description it says energize and awaken the under eye area. Use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones and Cupid's bow for an instant glow. So this is worth $30. Let's see if it gives you a glow. Oh my gosh. So that's what that looks like. This is so smooth. It feels like you're rubbing butter on your skin. Like, that's very smooth. And that's the brand Tula. Next thing we're pulling out, this literally feels like Christmas. I'm so excited. It's this Below the Belt. What is this? Below the Belt Crook card case. I'm not going to be using this, but this is what it looks like, and it's just a card case. It's worth $35 for this, and it has a cute little gold zipper in the back, but I'm not going to open this because I'm going to sell it because I'm not going to use it, but still pretty cool. So next thing is this facial dry brush. I've never really heard of a facial dry brush. I've heard about the ones you use on your body. They're really, really good for removing like dead, dry skin and all that stuff. So dry brushing is really good for you overall, but I've never heard of face dry brushing. I feel like that would kind of scare me to rub something so hard and coarse on my face. I don't know. So we're gonna open it and see. This is freaking adorable. Because like I've said, I've heard of the body ones. The body ones are like freaking huge, and this is the smallest, cutest little thing I've ever seen. Feels very soft. It's not as like coarse and rough as the body ones are. So that's pretty cool. I've never thought about getting one of those. This was $20, and it says to use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually going to try that and see if it does what it says it does. I have a lot of puffiness in my face, so if it could reduce a little bit of that, I'm a happy girl. The next thing that I see in this box is this pore dermabrasion pore perfecting. Why can't I read today? What's wrong with me? Pore perfecting exfoliator. So it looks like this. Looks very medical, like something you buy at the pharmacy. Helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleanses pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. If that's true, that's freaking awesome, because those are the things that I struggle with the most. This is worth $58, so that's amazing. It says wash your face with this professional grade micro crystal solution to instantly deep clean and refine pores. That's awesome. I'm gonna try this. I hope it works. Next we have this apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. Sounds peculiar to me. So this is meant to absorb oils and impurities while adding a touch of lift and texture with the powder of apple cider vinegar. Never heard of that either. So it's just a dry shampoo that you just, I'm guessing it's like the texture of baby powder and works the same. But apple cider vinegar, that's kind of cool. This was worth $24. I'm gonna try this out as well. Okay, so I see this in the box now that I've taken everything else out. Oh! So last but definitely not least, since this freaking thing looks awesome, I'm gonna take this out. Wow. So it's a mirror, an LED makeup mirror. High definition, distortion free makeup mirror. That is freaking awesome. I didn't know they send stuff like this in these kinds of boxes. We're gonna open it and see. So I just opened it. It came with this like USB thing. Came with its own batteries, so that's cool. We can try it right now. It comes with this stand, and then it comes with the actual mirror. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. Hey. So that's what it looks like so far. Pretty cool. And this is where the batteries go in the back. So I'm trying to get that thing out. Okay, so I just got the batteries in here. Oh, that's so cool. And it's a little touch button. Oh, she fancy, huh? Okay, this mirror is freaking awesome. Like, I look at myself in here and it is so clear. Like, wow. So clear. And I like how you can, you know, so cool. But it only has one setting. But that's still freaking cool. I love how it's touched. Like, that's so cool. So I love this. Really. I really love that. It's really cool to me that they would put that in this box. Like, it's really random, but it's really cool. So you never really know what you're gonna get with a Fabfitfun box. Like, you really never know. So now we're gonna see what the value of the mirror is in this little catalog that we have here in front of me. So that mirror was $45. Not bad at all. This box is like, just wow. So that's it for this video, guys. I am really impressed, and I love everything that I got in my box. I hope this video entertained you. I'm going to put the value right here of how much the whole box was worth, and I paid 75 bucks for it. So I'm not complaining at all. I think it was really impressive and really fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one. Bye!